Welcome to my channel. Wi-Fi repeater 1200 megabits per second wireless repeater AC15. Step 1. Plug in the repeater. Plug the AC15 repeater into a power outlet near your main router for the initial setup. Wait for the power indicator light to turn on. Step 2. Connect to the repeater. Press the WPS button on your main router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the AC15 repeater. The repeater will automatically connect to your router. Once connected, the signal light on the repeater should indicate a successful connection. Manual setup by a web interface. Connect your device, laptop, phone, or tablet, to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network. The network name, SSID, and password are usually printed on the repeater or its manual. Open a web browser and type the repeater's setup URL, commonly something like 192.168.10.1 or repeaterlogin.com, into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, often admin for both username and password, unless specified otherwise in the manual. Step 3. Configure the repeater. The repeater will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your main router's Wi-Fi password to connect. Step 4. Placement of the repeater. After setup, unplug the repeater and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the repeater is within the range of your main router's signal for optimal performance. Step 5. Test the connection. Check the signal strength and internet speed in the previously weak areas. Connect your devices to the repeater's extended Wi-Fi network. It may have the same name as your main network or a slightly modified name, such as your network_ext. Thanks for watching.